Are you still manually copying your customer details from Razorpay and add it in your HubSpot CRM account? So you can do this repetitive work over and over again, and which can be consume a lot of time of yours. It sounds very exhausting, right? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will learn how we can turn this manual data into an automation where with a couple of seconds you just got the data from your Razorpay and added and created a new contact in the HubSpot CRM itself. Now, to create this automation, we are going to use the platform which is named as AutoAppy.
So this is the landing page of AutoAppy where you can find multiple sections. In this section you can find we provide a list of application, so you can use this application to build a powerful automated workflow. If you scroll down, you got multiple templates which is ready to use to boost your businesses also. And then here you can find a pricing plan where we provide starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. If you notice, in our starter plan we just provide 3000 tasks every month for your first signing up freely. So now let's just create the automation workflow by simply tapping on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard where you can able to manage or monitor your workflow with respect to their filters, like on the basis of their status, tasks executed and the basis of their action also. So let's create the workflow by simply tabbing on the add workflow. Give it a name.
Name it as new order page to create CRM contact and click the save button. So here the window will be appear with a list of trigger application. In this scenario, we are going to use Razorpay as our trigger application, where whenever and the event which I'm going to use is payment capture and add your first application. So here you just add your first node in your AutoAppy canvas. Now to make it live, we have to set up this webhook URL into our Razorpay dashboard account. So it is able to communicate with Razorpay and capture all the data from coming from the Razorpay into your AutoAppy account. So let's just copy the webhook URL, come to your Razorpay. Under the account and safety, you can find a webhook. Just if you can't, just search for the webhook. And here the interface where you can add the webhook URL. So just tap on add a new webhook URL and paste your webhook URL here itself. Now the event we are going to use is payment capture. So whenever it is going to capture a new payment, the webhook URL is going to be hit and a Razorpay is going to send the data on that webhook URL so that we can able to capture the data our our AutoAppy AutoAppy. So now we just successfully set up our webhook URL. Just start capturing sample data and under the payment pages, just select any of just select the page which you want to done, which you want to execute. Now I'm going to paste this URL into here and yes, here I just going to name here I'm just going to and here I'm just going pasting the details with the required numbers and just take the payment. So we are going to execute our payment module with UPI. So here you can see our payment is successfully done. Now let's come to our AutoAppy and check the status. So yes, it is successfully captured our whole data. Now what we have to do, we have to just add another node, which is a math operator. So we can convert the number which will be come from our auto which will be come from our previous node into exact value. For that, we are going to use mapper. So we can call the details from our previous module, which is Razorpay itself, and search for the number. And here it will come with the two extra zero, which is basically giving a round off value. So I have to perform the mathematical operation here and submit the data and save this node. So it will be give me an exact value which I am offering. Now I'm going to use HubSpot CRM to create the contact and search for the create event, or rather than just search for the contact, create a new contact and add this node. So here you can have two options. Either you can use your existing connection or you can create your new connection. So I'm just going to use the existing connection here, and this one I'm going to use. So let's see what are the data I have to put here. So I'm going to put my ID, the payment amount, the status, and the name of the email number and the name of the person. So these are the things which I'm going to paste it here. So let's just search for the data. So this is the way we have to just map all the data. Let me just complete this one. So here I just map all the data. Now it's time to submit the data. So it successfully save our data. Now take this node. So yes, it successfully add the data. So here we just got all the data which will be coming from the Razorpay, and the account is going to be created in our HubSpot CRM also. So as you can see, with the help of the auto API, we just generate this automation. So as you understand, no more manual data is going to be entered every day whenever we just got the lead, or there is no any stress to be there to lost a lead. Whenever the payment is going to be hit, it will be going to select it or create it into your HubSpot CRM. So this is up for the video, guys. So now you can understand how easily we can automate the whole process with a few click within a few time. So here just create this automation. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, so make sure you share this video, and you just got and just subscribe the button, which can be and and if you want more practical automation videos, just hit the subscribe button. So whenever the new video is going to be uploaded, it will be going to be updated to you soon. So this is the way you just created the automation in the no-code automation platform, which is AutoAppy itself. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.